Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2021 through 22 and likely beyond Kia Sorento with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack, set of 4, and the WingBar Evo Load Bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. Now, these components have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet, which guide you in the correct installation on the feet. So here's one of the Evo Flush Rail feet. I'll go ahead and take off this outer cover, and with that cover removed, you can see we have a threaded post here. Now, the components of the fit kit not only have numbers assigned to them, but they also have letters, and the letters are there in order to guide you in the correct order of installation. So here's letter A, and so that's the first component to be installed. And then letter B is the base pad, and so we'll install that next by pressing that to the underside of the foot. And then C is this outer bracket. We'll just attach that to the top portion and then hold that in place with one of the barrel fasteners. Now the next step is to install this onto the load bar, and here we have the WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track that runs along the top of the bar that can be accessed by opening the end cap and sliding in the approved hardware between the 2 pieces of rubber, and thereby giving you a very clean, integrated method of attachment for certain accessories and carriers. Now I'll take this end cap off, and here you'll see we have a slot on the underside of the bar, and within that slot you have this measuring device. Now the numbers on the measuring device are not referenced in the instruction sheet, so these can be used, however, to help you in centering the load bars on the vehicle. However, that is a manual step. So now we'll go ahead and just slide the foot down into the slot there, and at this point it's important to put the end cap back on. With that end cap on, that'll prevent the foot from slipping off the end of the bar while you're maneuvering this around on the vehicle. Okay, next step is to tighten the brackets to the side rail of the vehicle. Generally tighten about 50% on each side. The goal is to keep each side evenly tensioned. And the tool here that's included with the foot pack has a unique handle that will click once it's fully tightened. And when it's tightening this fastener, it's gripping not only to the side rail, but also onto the bar as well simultaneously. So I'll continue to tighten until that handle clicks, so you can hear that sound. Okay, so now we're fully tightened. Now, on the underside of the bar here, you notice we still have some exposed rubber, some exposed slot, and it's important to fill that in with this rubber that's included with the load bars. That's just cut to measure to fill in that gap and help maintain good airflow on the underside. Now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place. Just snap that on and give this plastic plug a 1/4 turn, and that'll secure that cover into place. However, you do have an option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder to offer keyed security. These lock cylinders are sold in matched sets so that all 4 of your feet can be key matched. However, you can purchase larger sets in order to not only have your roof rack key matched, but also 1 key compatible accessories and carriers can also be locked with the same key for added convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. Also, if you have any questions or comments about this system, feel free to leave those down below in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like. And consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. And thanks for watching.